Why you should hire an attorney if you are involved in an Uber accident. If you were involved in an accident with an Uber, the first thing that you should do is contact an attorney. This is because there is a complicated process involved in filing a claim with Uber. You need to preserve important details of the accident, including the photographs taken at the scene. An Uber driver attorney can help you with this process and will help you get the benefits you deserve. The attorney will help you protect your rights and make the process as simple as possible. An attorney will be able to get all the necessary documents and information to prove that you were negligent. They will be able to use document discovery, electronically stored information, and expert testimony to prove your case. An attorney will also fight to get you the maximum economic and non-economic damages. An attorney will be able to win your case by making your client whole. You should choose an attorney who knows the ins and outs of the insurance industry and will fight for you. It is possible that an Uber driver may be liable for an accident even if the other party is not at fault. As an independent contractor, an Uber driver is liable for any accident that results in bodily injury, property damage, or death. If you are injured due to an Uber driver's negligence, you must first seek recovery from the driver's personal insurance provider, since Uber denies any responsibility for the accident. It is also possible that the driver may be trying to deflect responsibility for the accident by claiming that they are an independent contractor. In addition to personal injury, an Uber driver can be sued for damages if they are responsible for an accident. Whether it is a pedestrian, cyclist, or auto accident, an Uber driver can be held responsible for the accident. The company has a $1 million insurance policy that covers injuries, property damage, and deaths. If a passenger is injured, they must first seek compensation from the driver's personal insurance provider. Unless the other party is responsible for the accident, Uber will deny any fault and will claim that its drivers are independent contractors. Uber drivers should seek compensation after an accident. The insurance coverage provided by an Uber driver is often inadequate, which means the driver cannot be held liable for the injuries caused by the accident. If the driver is distracted, it is likely that he or she will be at fault. If the other party is not at fault, an Uber driver may be liable for the injury in an accident. However, an attorney can be helpful in these situations. An attorney Uber driver needs to be familiar with the specifics of the case. In New York, Uber drivers are considered independent contractors and are, therefore, subject to the same laws as any other driver. As a result, it is important to seek legal representation in a car accident if an accident occurs. An experienced car crash attorney can help you make the most of your case and obtain the highest compensation for your injuries. There are no limits on how much an Uber driver should be liable for. Regardless of the circumstances of the accident, Uber drivers should not be able to avoid paying insurance premiums, and they should not be held liable for their own accidents. If they have an accident with a passenger, the other driver can sue Uber for their damages. In some cases, Uber drivers are not considered employees, and they are not required to pay for their own insurance. Aside from this, a car insurance company may only cover a portion of the damages incurred by a Uber driver. Aside from liability, an Uber driver may also be liable if they cause an accident. As an independent contractor, you are protected from liability because the rideshare company is not a party to the accident. That is why it is important to get a lawyer who is experienced in personal injury claims. An attorney can provide you with the most reliable and accurate information for your case. If your Uber driver was negligent, you can seek compensation for your injuries.